To show you guys how bad this keyboard really is, here's me pressing the corner of the D key. Not even a single D out of it. But when I press the middle, it does produce the letter. And sometimes when I slam it, it does produce the letter. And the A key is a little better, but it still has some trouble. Yeah. That's why I'm getting a new keyboard. But sometimes I can wiggle them more than other keys. Yes, I play quite a bit of video games on here that revolve around WASD, and I believe the arrow keys have gone a little loose over the years, including the spacebar. Yikes. And here is my new keyboard, where the keys aren't as loose and much cleaner and newer. You can tell by the Windows logos, because this computer was made around the time when Windows 11 was brand new. Wait, did I say Windows 11 lightly? I meant Windows 11! Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be replacing this keyboard because this key is gone and this key is gone. And what are those keys? That key is the Omen Gaming Hub button, which I never use, and I didn't even sign up for it either. And the other key is this key. Yeah. It literally just popped right off. And I've been using this keyboard for almost 5 years. It'll be 5 years in October. Yeah. And it's went through quite the journey with me using it. I used it to type a lot of scripts, play games, and yeah. That's what I did with this computer. That's really all I did. And now I'm going to take apart this entire computer and put this keyboard in there. And once I get to the part where I put in my keyboard, ooh, it's gonna be fun. Wish me luck, guys and gals. And theys.